Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to run file handling programs in Python. First, ensure Python is properly installed on your computer. You can verify this by typing Python version in your terminal. Next, save your Python code file with a py extension, for example, my file. Py. Finally, open your system's command prompt or terminal application to begin. Now, you need to navigate to the directory where your Python file is saved. Use the cd command, which stands for change directory, followed by the path to your folder. For instance, type cd document/python scripts. To confirm you are in the correct location, you can type ls on Linux or Mac OS, or dir on Windows to list the contents of the current directory. With your terminal in the correct directory, executing your Python script is straightforward. Simply type Python followed by the exact name of your file, like Python my file. Py. After pressing enter, your program will run. Any output generated by your file handling operations, such as reading or writing data, will appear directly in the console, or errors will be displayed if issues occur. When running Python programs, always double-check your file path and name for accuracy. If your script uses external libraries, ensure they are installed using pip, for example, pip install pandas. If an error occurs, carefully read the error message. It often provides crucial clues for debugging. Understanding these common points will help you efficiently run and troubleshoot your Python file handling programs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.